Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how you can change icon style in this device. So at first we have to move smoothly to the settings, tap on the search pool and type theme. Let's pick up the first option, and as you can see we are moved to the Google theme store, and we have to go for the icons, and I will type here in the search pool free because I don't want to pay for any of this stuff. And as you can see, we got all free icons that we can set up on our device. So just simply choose that one that fits you the best, and in my case it will be probably this one. Click to download, and right now we have to sync in with our account, with Samsung account, but we can also make it with the Google account. So that's what I'm going to do. And right now, if you have set up two-step verification, we have to send the code. Okay, so I received my code on the second device, and right now I am able to input this code. And okay, as you can see right now we are in, and we can continue to download these icons. Right now we are able to apply because the download is finished. Click it another time. And as you can see, our icon style has changed. As you can see, it's very easy, and I hope that it is going to help you. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!